Here's an interesting and trending app which is called VERO True Social, and in this tutorial I just gonna share it with you why it's getting more popular, and it's growing in charts in social networking, social media categories. In US App Store it's already in top 100 apps, and who knows, like maybe this app can compete with Instagram or Facebook, WhatsApp one day, because yeah, these days everyone is just looking for some meaningful alternatives to these major apps. People are hating Facebook or Instagram for all the different reasons. Either it's too much ads, either it's like lack of authenticity, either it's even some mental issues or like fake realities, like where people are showing all these like perfect lifestyles. Anyhow, like this is a nice try, this app Vero True Social, to create a social network with just a bit different angle. So what it says here, the main focus is it's ad-free, algorithm-free social. From design to functionality, we are redefining what a social network should be, delivering a better, truer social experience for everybody, where is optimized for connection, not addiction, putting you in total control. Free for a limited time, join as founding member now, and your subscription is free for life. So I also didn't know that. So let's just open the app so you can easily create your account, and then the app looks like this. So you just follow some profiles, and then you can just see all the pictures, all the images, and then there are some specific influencers on this app. So there is like this guy has 400,000 followers already, so it's pretty huge app already. I don't know honestly if some of these accounts are just used via API and they're connected these followers from other apps, but this part I don't know. But some new social networks, they are doing just that. They're getting all these brands or like famous accounts and kind of transferring their followers to their own app, but probably it's already collected all the following here, which is pretty impressive. So then you can just tap on three dots in top right, and then you can share a profile, you can filter posts, you can of course block and report the user, you can tap to follow someone, so you can just tap on the search icon in the bottom, and then you can just follow some profiles like this. There are profiles, individual, music profiles, hashtags, and there is a big focus on this app just on also music, on some like movies previews, on some TV previews, some games. So this app tries to be like all-in social network app where you can just share your interest, photos, books, apps, some songs, some places. These are just like main categories where you can do that. So it's kind of very interesting concept. Maybe it's something similar to what social networks look like in China, where you have like WeChat or some other apps where they're just like all in. So you enter this app and you don't need to leave it. You have everything in it, like Facebook, YouTube, Netflix, messenger apps, just everything in one app. Here, by the way, if you tap on calls in bottom, you can just make calls to your friends right in the app, so it acts like a FaceTime. So it also has a functionality of FaceTime. And then there are chats where you can start chatting with your friends, and you can open a new chat and send it there. So something around it. This is like how it looks like. You can just bookmark some posts, you can send it, you can like, you can share a link, you can hide the post, you can report it. And then there are a lot of settings, so you can just go to your profile, you can see all your photos, your submissions. You can obviously edit your profile, so here you can just add some profile picture, add some bio, some username. I don't think it's possible to change username on this stage, so you should be careful when you're creating your username. And then what else? Then there are requests. maybe like some friend requests and all of that. You can invite friends from your contacts. So that's basically what you can do as well. Discovered contacts. Then there are settings where you have all the account settings. So if you tap on account settings, you can delete your profile from there. Music services, you can connect Apple Music here. Payment and shipping. So here maybe you can just add some payment card. I don't know, maybe there will be some products like books or something what you can purchase. So this app also has like a marketplace element. This is also, you can here invite friends. There are privacy settings. You can sync contacts. And then you can enable that you can share posts to followers. So that's what you can do. Calls, hidden posts, app settings. So here you can have that. And then there is help and support. How can we help you? From here you can easily reach out to support, like get support. For example, also you can try to verify your account, because you can see that some accounts have this blue check mark, so they are being verified. So just provide us with the URL of your website and your username on other social networks so we can confirm your identity. So that's what you can do. Just enter your Instagram, Twitter, your website, and then just provide a brief description why would you like to be verified. Then here you have terms of use, privacy policy, all of that standard stuff. And also if there are some other issues, you can also reach out to them. For example, you can't change your username. That's for example that. There are also quite a few bugs, I guess, because it's quite a new app, and there will be a few bugs and issues on devices, because when it's entering like top charts on the App Store, obviously there will be some issues. So that's that. And then finally, if you want to create a post, so here are types of posts which you can create: gallery, camera, link, music, movie, TV, book, app, game, or place. So I don't know like what. So for example, you can post some game and I don't know, like share some experience about this game. Or for example, if I want to post a link, this is my blog, by the way, so I'm just curious to see what will happen. And they have like a browser. And then I can just use this link. I can select some image. So this is what you can do. And then I can just, then when you're sharing any post, any image or anything, you can share it just with friends. You can share it with close friends, acquaintances, and followers. So there are all these privacy options which I really like. And then also you can just tap to private, share it to private. And then you can also share it with all followers like this. So something like it, and then you just see a preview. So it looks like a Facebook post, or it looks like a Twitter. So it's pretty simple. But again, like we're getting back to the main point, why this app exists. Because it's, as you can see, there were no ads, like no annoying ads. That's the main point why it's being developed. Social without ads, that's the main motto here. And algorithm free, so there is no, probably of course there are algorithms, but there are like some advanced algorithms where like you really being manipulated and you really being shown some content which can generate more clicks and more ad revenue and stuff like that. So that's what it is. And so okay, I will also show you, if for example, if you want to add a friend here, so for example, I want to add this profile, and then you can tap connect, and this is how you add friends here. So is your new connection a close friend, friend, or acquaintance? So then you can just select one of those, either close friend, friend, or acquaintance. So that's what you can choose here, and then you can just select from here, either close friend, friend, or acquaintance, and that's basically what it is. And yeah, so that's what you do if you want to add friends. Other than that, that's how it works, and hope it is helpful. As you can see, there are a lot of already followers for some users, which is pretty impressive for this app. So that's pretty fun. And yeah, so that's basically the idea of it. Hope this is helpful. Then on every account you can see intros, you can see photos, you can see videos, you can see links shared, you can see music, you can see some movies and TVs, books, and places for every profile, and just have a better idea what everyone you following is doing and what are his or her interests and all of that. Hope you enjoyed this quick intro into the VERO through social. I will be following this app and trying to discover it and trying to see how it develops, and I will share it with you.